Chill. Just chill. Look, shadow on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shadow. Come back fast. We're gonna look into the bend. We're gonna look into
They're
it.
looking now. Gago kayo. Defensive fra. Come walking. Come southeast. Stop fucking hesitating, guys. Come southeast.
Look, I stopped them.
Come southeast. Ready. Hold them, guys. Southeast now.
Second five.
Yeah. Just hold them.
Ready, I'm ready.
Yeah. Come southeast. Ready, southeast deep. Southeast deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast deep. Nice hit. Nice spread. Spread. If you guys have big butts, guys walk in if you guys have big butts. Defensive. Come southeast. Just keep walking. I'm deep. They miss. They hurt miss. Just walk in, boys. Just walk in. Ready, defensive.
Perma ready?
Come southwest. Keep going. Look deep. South marker at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, me. Speak. Nice. Good job.
They have engaged now. Careful.
One more. Come southwest. One more. Come southwest. Adobo is looking inside. Good job. Walk in.
10 seconds, Perma.
Walk in. Nice. Good GA. Keep walking in. My bomb, can you counter?
Ready Perma.
Yo, hold them. Look west wall. West wall, Mark in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow me. Kill. Nice, good job.
Nice.
Spread.
Adobo died.
Adobo died. Keep walking southwest. I know. Keep walking southwest. And spread. They're gonna turn.
Careful, Wolf.
Spread. Nice. Good CC. Keep walking. They're full kiting. Look. These dogs are full kiting. Keep walking. They're gonna look to counter here on the bend. They're gonna counter in their east. They're ready to spread on the east side. Okay? Keep walking.
May ditang small talk.
Yeah, I know.
Hindi na maha.
I know. Look northwest on the chalk migrant in 5, 4, 3, 2. On the chalk. Spread. Don't pass through the bend. Come south. They're gonna look to hit you south. They're gonna hit you
Looking out.
They already hit that.
Come south.
Tukol down sila.
Come west. Keep walking west. Can you hold them?
Sabi na
By
tayo.
chance,
Yeah, we can. Nainipit sila. They're going southeast.
Look west on the choke. CC them on the west choke. CC them on the west choke, please. The west choke, migrant. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the choke. Kill the choke.
Yo, mount up, dito.
Kill. Nice.
North mo.
Ditang again.
Mounting up sila.
Kill everybody who's inside of you. Kill everybody who's inside of you. Come back.
Right
Kill the one.
timing. Galaw.
Kill the sealer. Look at the sealer. Kill them. Just kill them. Yes. One up. Don't overchase, okay? Oh, my map's not defending. Please. Okay.
Baka na lang gigpats niyan.
Agila wiped.
GG keep ko.
Hindi ako na mag-airtron ulit, guys. Hindi talaga.
Ngayon, tinatry kitang habulin, kaya lang madaming GE talaga tsaka inertia ring, pre.
Then, lalim
Yung mga supports mo.
Ang lalim ko, sobrang lalim ko.
Come back to the castle. Regear if you're there.
Pala kami. Yup.
So, come northwest. Come back inside the castle. Second gate. Para hindi kayo mahuli sa first gate. Come second gate. Wala ka pa.
Hindi talaga ako pwede mag-ano.
Hindi nagka-counter ko, bam ko. Putang ina. Wala ka
Sakto
pala.
kayo, ganda nga. Tangina kasi, ewan ko bakit sobrang lambot ng airtron. Man,
Alam mo talaga nun, bro, pag hindi na ako golem for.
ang lambot pre, sobra. It's fine. Fuck this airtron, bro. I fucking hate this.
Pakita ko sa'yo yung ano ko mamaya, yung first one shot sa'yo.
Ano yun? Masyado ako nagtiwala kasi akala ko hindi ako ma-one shot. Hindi ako nag-click ng big pots. Ay, hindi ako nag-click ng...
Pwede na sa kayo rin.
Akala ko mabubuhay ako. Skill issue.
Okay, guys.
Buti na lang dito si Otto. Sabi ko sa'yo, Otto, ikaw bahala dito.
Gusto ko nga magpahinga, bro. Birthday ko eh.
Happy birthday! Ayan no, birthday, puro good clamp, good hits, pre. Okay na yan. Sulit na.